That building right there with the funny roof on it is the Surrey Sailing Club. And man, did they ever have a nice little spot here. I mean, good God, this is gorgeous. Look at it. We got particularly lucky today with the blue sky and the gray and white and almost black clouds. What a gorgeous thing, eh? And it was a hassle to get here. Seriously, I was taking a chance on the method that I chose to come here, and it didn't work very well, or at least it didn't seem like it was going to. It seemed like it was a huge long walk. Because the bus that I wanted was 15 minutes late. And in Vancouver, you get used to the buses being on time. The bus system here is fantastic. But the problem was that wasn't a TransLink bus, it was another sort of bus. Because you could just go around here all day, couldn't you? That's what's happening on shore. Not a lot. Crescent Beach has like got a real small town feel to it. It's so nice. I've only been here twice, but I really liked it both times. Okay, that's so gorgeous. I'm just gonna end it there.